Hi everyone, this is Mark
And this is Maya
and we are the
Alcantaras.
Welcome to
the
First Canadian Place. Free rides. Today we are here at the First Canadian, anong tawag dito?
Place.
First Canadian Place. Ikaw mag-explain.
And this is basically commercial area where the Hockey Hall of Fame of Canada Museum is found. It's also a very historic building because it links other financial buildings such as Scotia Place, TD, Canada Bank, and BMO. So it connects different institutions, and this is also the start of the underground pathway mall. So we will take you so you can see the underground area of Toronto. Ito natin dito kung meron dito yung elevator.
Pwede ba tayong pumasok dito? With video?
No,
Hindi?
no, that's a store.
Ha?
That's a store.
Hindi, parang makita lang yung mga items.
Okay. Pero I don't know kung papayag ka mag-videotape.
Parang wala naman ditong elevator.
Dito.
Canadian Mothercraft, Hockey Hall of Fame, Brookfield.
Ayun, down.
Okay, subukan natin. Saan dapat?
Baba.
Anong baba? Tatlo to, P1, P2, P3.
P1. Copy level 1.
Okay. So the locker room. Sam Pollock Square. It's a parking lot. I don't...
You're here. Ah,
Hindi.
how do you get to the upstairs? To the path?
Elevator over there.
No,
To
going
the
path.
underground
Underground path?
path.
No elevator.
No?
Elevator is more easy for you.
I know,
Okay.
but how do we get to the path? Like
The
underneath
underground,
underground?
No. Another way I recommend you is you up here, but it's the ramp.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
in this way you find another elevator. It's more easy. That's why.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the problem is the ramp is maybe it's not easy for you, Mister.
But it's okay.
I think it's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Try it.
Thank
If
you.
you need help, I help
Okay. Thank you.
you. Okay.
Hindi naman masyadong mataas. Uy. Saan kaya yun? Elevator.
Somewhere around here.
Parang dito yung
Diba? Hindi naman yata. No, that's not an elevator.
Tandoy may mga tao eh.
Saan?
Doon. Ito yatang daanan. Okay. Alam mo,
No?
pag akyat natin dito sa ano, doon lang tayo sa street kasi
Okay.
baka pagsarahan pa tayo ng Dollarama.
Elevator dito.
Wellington Tower.
C.
Concourse going up.
Okay. Ayun, merong ano to Union Station. Baka ito na nga yung path.
No, wala. Yeah, pero dito tayo.
Ha?
Dito. Pag ganito. Walang, ano, Dollarama at yung itong center dito.
Sure ka ba?
Yes.
Kasi pag ganun yung Union eh. Yung signage.
Hindi na sa Union eh, dito. Dito ang papuntang Eaton Center.
Ha? Dito sa mapa, lumalapit siya sa Bay Street. Tingnan natin yung mga sign. Ayun o, Union Station. Pa-Union ba tayo dapat? Hindi.
Kaya ngayon tayo sa Union Station.
So,
Dapat doon yan.
patun tayo, ikot tayo. How many minutes tayo meron? 5:30 na. 30 minutes tayo maglalakad. Sorry. Diretso doon?
Yun mo tingnan natin. Ano?
Ang sign is
Kanan.
Commerce Court, Bay Wellington
Yeah,
Tower,
dito. And then,
Allen.
and tayo dyan.
Commerce Court.
Yeah. Elevator. Up.
Hindi kailangan
Hindi,
tawagan.
Hindi,
Hindi siya nape-press. Kailangan ng attendant.
Is it working?
I think there's an attendant.
Elevator control, I'm
Oh,
helping.
there you go.
Hello, can we use the elevator, please?
No problem, I'll send security over.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Kasya ba ako?
Yeah.
Yung paa mo, iusog mo baka maano. Medyo scary. Oh my God. Masyadong masikip.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a nice day too. Medyo masikip siya. So, paano na lang kung yung mas malaking wheelchair yung dala natin?
Dito kami nag-ano eh. Ang daming food court.
Kaya lang pag ganitong araw, sarado sila.
Oo. Office hours. Half? Ay. Ano ko? Tignan natin. Sige, dito sila.
Bay State.
Pag dito kami meeting office, ubus talaga lahat ng pera mo kasi every time dito ka kakain eh.
Magbaong ka.
Wala, hindi ka pwedeng kumain sa baba para sa baon. Doon sa kabila. IBC to. Ito na yung path. Ayan.
Dito?
Ayan, path.
Pero may access kaya to. Yun ang ating laging problema. Okay, tingnan natin kung tayo ba magiging successful sa lagusang ito. Dominion. The Toronto Dominion Bank.
Ha? The main version ko. Dito.
Kaliwa.
Yeah.
So,
Itong underground mo. Diretso.
eh, merong sign na pakaliwa for wheelchair.
Saan? Where?
Ayun no. Bay. Hindi ba?
Oh. Where ako nakita nga ano.
Hindi. Ito. So, dapat may path. Ayan, may path pa rin na signage.
Kaya nga, diretso.
West Tower.
Ah, yeah, dito.
Tapos may food hall naman sa dulo. May chocolate shop. May jewelry shop.
Kaya kapag dito ka, you don't
Shoppers.
need to go to any mall anymore. Kasi nandito lahat ng mga shopping areas sa mga financial district.
Hindi gumagana yung mapa. Hindi ko alam kung
Ito.
tama pa ba yung direction natin. Okay. Sabi sa mapa,
Kaliwa.
kakaliwa tayo.
Ito pa siya.
Jimmy the Greek. Wala na.
Pero meron dito
Elevator to parking. Dead end na to eh.
dito kaya.
Food court na to, dead end to.
Hold on. Your, kumian. Hold on.
Sa street na yata to.
No, walang elevator.
O kasi nga hindi natin sinunod
Oo.
yung may eh.
Hold on.
Hindi, ito merong accessible door eh. Para saan? Meron dun. So, Saan papunta kaya yan?
Sa taas.
Saan kaya papunta to? Push for assistance. Hi, can we use the elevator, please?
I can send someone over there. Just hang on a minute.
Thank you.
Is this going to the pathway?
Binaba niya.
Security.
Hi, sir. We just want to ask, is this elevator going to the pathway, going to Eden Center?
Somebody's on their way to help you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Baka hindi nakapisado.
Di tanungin natin yung mag-assist. Okay.
Straight, and then just follow the path where it leads you.
Okay.
You will end up at a junction with the store TELUS,
Okay.
the phone store.
Yeah.
When you see TELUS, turn left
Okay.
and keep going all the way.
Okay.
So this is the north direction.
Okay.
That's where Eden Center is. But yeah, TELUS is what you're looking for. TELUS and running room, a red
Okay.
store and a green store at the
Okay.
junction. Just turn left over there. You will have to move into the next property, and that's where you'll find the signs. Just like this,
Okay.
you'll see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
This is the opposite way. This goes to Union.
Oh, thank you so much.
Dito. Amerika.
Path pareho.
No, pero Sheraton Center. Ito naman, Papayang and Dundas Square. Sabi dito. Sige.
Ito pa lang yung first Canadian place eh.
Yeah.
Ibig sabihin, hindi first Canadian place yung pinunta natin kanina.
It's far. It's first Canadian place. Yun na nag-unite nga sabi ko. pagtapos ng trabaho, dito na nagka-shopping. Dito nagpapaayos ang buhok, dito lahat na. Kung hindi na kailangan pumunta ng mall. Diretso.
Walang ramp.
Ay, yun yung ramp.
Baka hindi dapat umakyat ng ramp.
No.
Mukhang walang ramp.
No, dito. Doon.
Kaya
Kasi
nga,
sabi-
dapat hindi tayo umakyat ng ramp.
Sorry. Hold on, tingnan natin this arrow. Kung hindi yung ganda sa hair.
Yan, Sankofa Square. 10 minutes.
Kaya alam natin ngayon, pag humulan, ganito na tayo. Ang dami nag-window shopping.
Ano to?
Eaton's Hudson Bay. Tapos siya. Dito. Parang Eaton's Center. Yan, dito.
Dito ba?
Oh, you watch video? Okay, go ahead. I'll follow you.
Eaton's Center.
Eaton Center na pa to?
Ito yung food court na bago na pero yung may lumakain. Mama,
Ha?
nandiyan yung Baumama, nandiyan yung elevator.
We made it.
Pero dito, ang pumunta.
Ay, ito rin yung food court na kinain natin kanina?
No,
Iba to?
iba to.
Urban Eatery eh.
Yeah, no, iba. Queen's Cross Food Hall.
We made it. Thank you so much for joining us. We finally made it to the Eaton Center using the underground path network. So that's a convenient way to commute or to walk around the downtown, especially if it's raining or if it's like snowing or if it's too hot outside. You can take that. Just watch out for the signages because you might get lost as we experienced today. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching our episode for today. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and please comment down whatever you want to comment. And if you have some suggestions, if you have some places that you want us to visit, please let us know. And that's it, guys. This is Mark,
And this is Maya.
and we are the
Alcantaras.
Alcantaras. Guess what? There's another Reef Fest here at the Young and Danda Square, which is now called the Sankofa Square. So let's check it out. Oh, wow. Parang sila din yung nasa Centennial Park
Tatlo lang.
Tatlo lang. They only have the Texas Jack's famous barbecue pit, the Kentucky Smokehouse, and what's the other one? The Louisiana Barbecue. Best in town. So, alin ang may pinakamaraming pila?
Not as this one. Louisiana.
Itong Texas, marami ring pila kasi pinakauna. But there are other stalls as well. May souvenir shops. Oh, this little girl enjoying the bubble toy. Then there's like cactus.
Ano cake?
May mga funnel cake. And there's also, thank you so much, the Korean waffle, panda skewer.
Nandito ang pinuno.
May tinuno ba dito?
Somewhere around here.
So apparently may tinuno dito pero parang wala. Parang tugtog ng
Squid Free.
Squid Game.
Tanggulu. You want one?
Tanggulo.
Hello.
Tanggulo na, nasa higaan ka pa.
They have fruit. Ano, gusto mong drink? Ayan o.
Baka sa ano na lang. And may fortune teller din. Kung gusto nyo malaman ng inyong kapalaran. Pero tandaan, hindi hawak ng mga bituin ng ating mga kapalaran. Merong happy twist sweet potato. Okay, yun na guys. That's it. That ends our episode for today. This is unexpected. Merong mini Rib Fest dito sa Sankofa Square. And yeah, if you are in Toronto, it's definitely worth checking out this square because there's always something happening here. Ano pa ba?
Every weekend.
Every weekend. So especially now that people are enjoying summer, so there will be a lot of activities outside. So bye. Thanks for watching.